Hello everybody, greetings from the UK. My name is Anna Plaster. I am co-founder and CEO of OASIS, an operational service delivery company, and Addit, a software as a service startup. I've had great fun being involved in Airwards this year, helping the management team put it all together and also the judging piece as well. The range and expertise and creativity behind the entrance and the project just blew me away. And it was fantastic to check out some of the projects which are rolling out globally at the moment. So yeah, fantastic industry and loads of drones for good stuff going on. But now to the interesting bit. So here's the winner for my category, which is Software Data Management and Analysis. The group is Technology, and the winner is DroneSec. With their entry, DroneSec notify UAS threat intelligence. So well done to all the people involved there.
Hi, my name is Mike Monick. I'm the CTO of DroneSec, and we are so over the moon to receive this amazing recognition from Airwards. And it's because we have a truly ambitious mission, and we believe that threat intelligence and cybersecurity will play a large part in safe and secure drone operations around the globe. So we are super appreciative of your support, and the whole team is really proud to accept this award. So thank you.